Hello guys, this is Shuvam Panda here, back again with another video. So this is a tutorial video. In this video, I will tell you about world's most popular website builder. So what is WordPress is? Okay, so WordPress is an open source content management system CMS, which allow user. Okay, WordPress allows user to create dynamic websites and blogs. Okay, here you can see that the popular website builder. If you want to create a website, if you want to create a blog, then here you go, you can create it with WordPress. Okay, so in here WordPress is the most popular blogging system on the web and allow updating, customizing, managing website from its backend CMS and component. No need to code. Okay, no coding needed, nothing needed, just drag and drop, simple technology. And I will tell you in this tutorial, I will teach you about the basics of WordPress, using which you can create website blog with ease. Okay, this tutorial is divided into various sections for convenience, and I will make different videos and I will create a long video so that you can learn WordPress easily. Okay, so each of the section that I will divide it into content related topic with screenshot, screen sharing, and WordPress admin screen. Okay, I will tell you about this. So before learning WordPress, so I need to explain who are the audience, what is your basic like needed. So I have created this tutorial for those who have a basic knowledge in website designing, some basic knowledge in HTML, CSS, and you have needed a great interest to create websites. Okay, so after completing this tutorial, you will find yourself that you are a hero. So every time I create a class, I create a tutorial, my tutor name will be zero to hero. So here, after you complete this, you will be termed as hero in WordPress, means expert in WordPress. So basic needed is HTML, CSS. Okay, if you know that, then we are ready to go with WordPress. So here you can see there are multiple templates available. You have multiple templates, means themes, right? Ready-made websites available, you can create it on your own. You can choose as per your requirement, as per the design requirement, and you can edit that as per your choice. Okay, now what is this CMS? So CMS, before learning CMS, let me explain you that WordPress is a CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. CMS stands for Content Management System. Let me write it down in my whiteboard. CMS stands for Content Management System. So here it is, CMS, Content Management and System. Okay, very easy. Content management system. Now we are learning what? We are learning WordPress. Okay, so WordPress is a content management system. Now you tell me what is content management system is. Okay, so before that, let me tell you some brief that WordPress has started. Okay, started from 27th May, 27th May 2003. Okay, now it started at 27th May 2003 and it initiated as a open source. Now, before going to learn what is content management system, I will tell you that open source. So what is open source? Please note it down. Open source means it is open for use. The code, the WordPress is open for use, open for any update, any edit. Okay, no such certification, no such license is needed, completely free. Okay, announced in October 2009. In October 2009, WordPress has been termed as open source. Okay. Now, before going to content management system. What is this? What is content management system? Okay, so it is a software or it is a program which store the data such as text, photo, music, documentation, okay, that are available in your website without any coding knowledge. Okay, without any coding knowledge you can edit the content, edit the image, edit the text, edit anything, publish it, modify it as per your knowledge, as per your requirement. So this is called a content management system. Okay, now going for the next, in here in WordPress we are getting some uh, tada, tada, okay, we are getting some new feature. So what feature you are getting is user management. So in here user management means it allow multiple user can contribute to the website. Like multiple user can log into the website, maybe as a subscriber, maybe as a contributor, maybe as a admin, or maybe as a editor. Okay, WordPress have the feature of user management. Next is media, media management. So in here media management means WordPress have the option to manage different kinds of media. Okay, so means it is a tool for managing media files like image, video, etc, etc. In the WordPress you can manage your media. Next, going for the very simple theme, theme system. Okay, so it allow you or your site to change the looks and feel. Okay, so it have the theme, each theme have multiple HTML, CSS. Okay, so as you see here, as you see, like previous time I showed you, like there are multiple templates, multiple themes. You can choose the template, you can choose the theme as per your choice, and you can use that as your website. So predefined themes are available in WordPress, so you don't have to create a website or blog from scratch. Very simple. Okay, now WordPress have a functionality like plugins, plugins. Okay, in plugins what happens, in plugins is the extension of WordPress. There are multiple plugins are available in the market, so don't worry about this. I am just giving you some introduction. I will go each point, I will show you the practical for each point. So there are multiple plugins available in the market that help WordPress to extend its feature through different plugins. Now the next feature that I will tell you is SEO, or otherwise called as search engine optimization. WordPress is a content management system that provide a good result in SEO. You can rank in Google, Yahoo, Bing. You can rank in different search engine if you create your website or blogging platform in WordPress. The next one is multilingual. Multilingual means WordPress allow the entire website to change from one language to different language. Multi-language support is available. Okay, and next one is import. Okay, import functionality, import tool feature is allow you to import data from other place to your WordPress. Okay, it available there. Okay, now in WordPress, there are some, if I will tell you, there are some quick advantage and quick disadvantage. Okay,
I'm
so
sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
okay, so let me tell you that clear all drawing I have done it. Now basically I will tell you the advantage and disadvantage of WordPress. Okay, very quickly I will tell you advantage, and in here disadvantage. Okay, so in the advantage you are getting In the advantage portion, you are getting what it is a open source and completely free. Okay, open source and completely free. Next, what in the advantage you are getting that no need to code, no need to code. Okay. Next, in the advantage you can see that extend your feature using plugin that PLU, that other CMS don't have. That a plugins, multiple plugins are available. You can extend the feature functionality of WordPress using installing different plugins. Okay, it have editors. You don't need to code. There are editor available like our Word, Excel, like editor, bold text, italic text, it have available. So similarly in WordPress also those are available that can be helpful for you to create the website with ease. Okay, next is media available, media management available in WordPress. I have already discussed about that. And customization, fully customized. You can do it fully customized website. Okay. Okay, so these are the advantage of WordPress. Now coming to the disadvantage of using WordPress is, let me tell you that if you use plugin, if you use multiple plugin to extend, okay, if you use multiple plugin to extend, so that will help performance. Okay, performance must be compromised if you have taking different plugins. And similarly WordPress is little bit slower in terms of performance if you use WordPress compared to any other coding platform. Okay, now if you need a heavy customization, then you need to learn about PHP, HTML and CSS only for heavy customization, not for basic. Okay, now next point is that being it is a content management system, you have to take regular updates, and you have to take regularly backups. Okay, and you have to take regular updates and backup, and it is less secure. I am telling that it is very much secure, but still less secure compared to any coding platform. So you have to take regularly backups, security checks if you use WordPress. Okay, so these are the like basic four disadvantage I can say if you use WordPress. Okay, so in this next video I will tell you what is your system requirement and which tools, which software we need to install it so that we can use our WordPress. So stay tuned. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day, bye bye.